Skis melum hin buanaranich, skis melum hin buanaranich dunen, Coo and Tomen, Brian Tomen, Coo and Tomen voich, Coo and Tomen, Brian Tomen, buanaranich dunen.
Well, Shamhna, it's getting awful late in the year. I'll have to be going home soon.
Yes, the evenings are even getting cool, aren't they? Summer's almost over, you know. It's been so good having you here this year.
Yes.
I really enjoyed it. But I don't know what's going to happen next year. This is your last year of school. Next year you might have a job waiting.
I know I might. I'll miss coming to see you, but I'll visit for sure.
Oh, good. Clever.
Yeah.
Oh, an animal. I never thought I'd live long enough to see a Oidhche.
What are you talking about, Grandma? What do you see?
Can't you see him? He's sitting on the end of the bench over there.
I just see that fella with the hand scythe. Why on earth would he be cutting ferns? I don't see.
You don't see anything else?
No, I don't see the Oidhche, Shamhna. Can you tell me about him?
Oh, come and sit on the bench.
Okay.
I'll tell you the story. My grandfather used to tell me about his own great-grandfather, Dòmhnall Campbell. Dòmhnall Campbell. One day he was coming home with the cows. He was about your age, you know.
Yeah.
He was bringing the cows home.
What happened?
Honey clonked back Doris Foskelja.
He saw a little hill with an open door.
He did. He saw.
What did he do then?
Well, hooky a skiing as a foskel, agus hura Dorothy.
He took his knife out of his pocket and put it in the door in the fairy hill?
Indeed he did. And then he went down into the fairy mound.
Yeah. Well, why did he put his knife in the door?
Because, you know, the blade of the knife is iron, and iron is blessed, and the Sheehan will not touch it.
Oh, heck. That's good. So he went in after that.
He went in after that, yes, he did. And the Oidhche looked at him and said, well, Jay ha ye asked. And Dòmhnall said, a boy na fila, mastery of the fiddle. And Oidhche saw the knife in the door, and he said to Dòmhnall, how tappy you gunya?
Yeah, he's the smart one. Shouldn't look at that. Well, so is that why our family's called the Fairy Fiddlers?
That's exactly right. Dòmhnall Campbell was known around this country for years and years because of his mastery of the fiddle, which he got from the Sìthichean.
I guess that's why he was so good to me. Well, Shinakata. Well, I guess that poor fella with the hand scythe didn't know to put his knife in the door before going into the fairy mound.
No, but you know, the Oidhche might keep him down there for a year and a day. Now. Well, we better get up. We better go after the cows now and Ian.
Okay. Hopefully they're not too far off, but honey, listen, I still don't see anything over there, Shamhna.
No.
I haven't had this much fun since Dòmhnall Campbell, mastery of the fiddle.